Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning operators, and in today's class we are going to learn about a very special operator called modulus. Before we learn about this operator, it is important to understand the concept itself. Now if you go back to basic math and you remember that we always perform when we do a division and we create a mixed number. For example, we say x equal to 15 over 4. This number actually becomes 3 over 4, the mixed number. In this mixed number, this part is your whole number and this is your remainder. When you talk about remainder, when we do the division right now, if you simply say x equal to 15 over 4, this will give you 3.75, I guess, right? But what if I am interested to find out the remainder part of it? I'm only interested in finding the remainder, or I'm only interested in finding the whole number. The quotient, also referred as quotient. So this one is referred as quotient and this one is remainder. Now we want to find about quotient and remainder. I'm keeping quotient aside for now. The remainder, in order to find the remainder, Java provides you an operator called percentage sign. The percentage is not same as finding the percentage in regular math like 5% or 7%. The percentage sign has a special meaning in Java and it is used to find the remainder in an integer division. The reason I say integer division, because if I do 15 over 4, this, if I say x equal to, and I'm interested in finding the remainder, I will not say 15 divided by 4. I will not do that. I will say 15 percentage 4, and this will return x will become 3, which is the remainder. Now if you do, rather than using 15, if I use 14.3 and trying to find the remainder of 14.3 modulus 3, I want to find the remainder. This time, since it's not an integer division, it will give me 2.3 and not 2, because I'm doing a real number modulus an integer number. Now the use of modulus is pretty high in multiple scenarios. In fact, in some scenarios it would be very hard to solve a problem without using modulus. Take some examples. You want to find whether a number is even or odd. How do we do that? We divide by 2 and we find if a remainder is 1 or 0, and accordingly we decide the number is even or odd. If you want to find out how much time in second has lapsed, and you want to convert in date and time. Suppose today's date is March 22nd. If I say March 22nd, I'm writing in US format 2022, and I also give some time, date and time format. Now in this case, if I want to convert this to a friendly date, you in many websites you will see friendly date as 2 days ago, 2 days, 2 hours, 3 minutes ago. How do you convert this? What we really need to do is to take this, convert into in seconds, what we call it ticks, and take current date and time, do the subtraction, and then find number of seconds. Once you find number of seconds that has elapsed, you can start dividing it by number of number of days, which is number of hours, 24, 60 minutes and 60 seconds. This will give you number of days. If I divide it by similarly I can find hours, similarly I can find minutes and all that part, right? So this has multiple uses. I want to find greatest common divisor, or you want to find if a number is palindrome or not, or you want to find count number of digits in a number. If I write a number like 1 2 3 8 9 0, there are 6 digits. How would you find that this number has 6 digits, right? There are many applications of this modulus operator, especially in very peculiar problems that you solve, and you will see that in action. That's all on modulus operator. you will have good practice on this one in this class, in this lesson. So go ahead and do that. I'll see you guys in the next class. We'll talk about parentheses.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.